Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel once again. In today's video I'm going to show you how to use this new feature on WhatsApp, which you can use audio on your status. So without further delay, let's get into the video and see how to create an audio on our status. So first, open your status. Open your WhatsApp. Now WhatsApp is open. Go to your status. Now under the status, now below we have a pen icon here, which is right on top of the camera. So click on the pen icon. Now under the pen icon we have a mic here, so just click on the mic, tap and hold the mic to record the audio. Now hello, testing mic. Today I'm going to show you how to use audio on your status. It's a new feature on WhatsApp, and that is how to set it up. So let's leave that. Right, so now let's play and see. Now hello, testing mic. Today I'm going to show you how to use audio on your status. It's a new feature on WhatsApp, and that is how to set it up. So let's right, so now it has been created, so let's post it. So once you tap on the triangle icon, and you can see it is uploading here. Right, it has been uploaded, which is just now. So let's go back and test it and see whether it's working or not. So let's open our WhatsApp status. We have a different WhatsApp on the phone, so let's click on that and open it. Now go to the status here, and we have it updated here. So this is it, so click on that. All right, so this is one thing. If your WhatsApp is not updated to the new version, it will not work on your audio. It will not work on audio recording on status. So let's update this WhatsApp and test it. Sorry. So this is it. Click on that and let's update the WhatsApp. So we are here, so let's update that. Right, so now our WhatsApp has been updated, so let's open it. Now go to the status bar once again. Now on the status bar, let's go down. Right, this is the same number, so click on that, and now we have it playing. Today I'm going to show you how to use audio on your status. It's a new feature on WhatsApp, and that is how to set it up. So that is how to set WhatsApp status. That is how to set audio status on your WhatsApp. So guys, if this video was helpful, kindly leave us a like and don't forget to subscribe. See you on our next video on screen. Peace.